Hi guys, today I'm going to tell how to create these beautiful handmade bookmarks. You can get these popsicle sticks from any stationery shop. You will need 2 blue stripes and 2 white stripes to create the quilling. Connect all these stripes with gum and roll it over and make a circle. And after that, get your quilling tool and keep like this and make it like a round shape. Put some glue in the middle and connect it. And the shape should be like this. You have to make 5 pieces or 6 pieces like this and make a flower. Thank you for watching my video. If you like the bookmarks, give a thumbs up and subscribe my channel.